Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Alert to World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you supervised learning applications in machine learning. See, let's do the thing pin. We will do the machine learning algorithm applications which is defined for the application. So first of all, why supervised machine? So the thing, supervised learning has a wide range of applications in machine learning as it involves training models on level dataset. Before my slide has been declared about the level dataset to predict the outcomes. So here some of the common and impactful application of supervised learning across the various field. So first of all, we can identify the thing which is the supervised learning application. Image classification. So in image classification there have first description. So identify and classify the object and image. See, identify and classify. See, and the application. So what kinds of things? Facial recognition, object detect. So any kinds of object like table, chair, or facial, any kinds of face. It can be animal or it can be human being. And the thing next is spam detection. So I have clear about the before. Now again I will describe about the spam detection. So classifying email as spam or not spam based on their content and metadata. See, this is only for predictable. For mail, not like that. It's actually it's work as content or metadata. So for this case, so the application for is the things has been email service provider use supervised learning to filter the spam mail by analyzing image subject like line, sender, information, and keywords as like the content and metadata. See example, big example, we can get it very well, the Gmail account. Next, the sentiment analysis. So nowadays sentiment analysis is crucial for a human being. So determining the sentiment, either it positive, negative, or neutral, of a piece of text such as a review or social media post. See, application here, for example, customer feedback analysis, social media monitoring. See, like Twitter, Facebook, this kinds of thing has been few question arise which is either negative or positive or neutral. Now the most important for human being or social things, the disease analysis. This thing is very important for human life, predicting the presence or absence of a disease based on patient data as a result of symptoms, medical history, and imaging data like CT scan, MRI machine, these things. So supervised learning is used to diagnose diseases like cancer, diabetes, or autism from medical imaging or generic data. So for this case, the big example is VM vector, which I have told you before, the things they can use it. Now the fraud detection. So in fraud detection, where this all actually true, everything has been important in SVM. So in fraud detection, the thing detecting fraudulent activities in financial transaction, banking sector has been very crucial. This thing, the financial institution use the logistic regression, especially or decision to predict and detect credit card fraud in real time. See, this can also, we can see the real time detection. We can use this algorithm. Next is speech recognition. So speech recognition, converting spoken language into text using supervised learning model trained on level audio dataset like voice assistant, transcript service. See, this thing. So recognizing and converting speech to text in real time for children also. So in virtual or voice things is virtual assistant like Siri in Apple, Alexa for Amazon, Google Assistant for supervised learning and understanding spoken command. Now the customer churn prediction. So what is this? This thing has predicting whether a customer will leave or stay with a business based on their historical interaction and behaviors. For this telecommunication company, identifying customers who are likely to cancel their subscription. See, as well as the e-commerce site, the most popular site in this world nowadays are lasted 20 days, 20 or 15 years, sorry, years. So predicting which customer may stop purchasing from a platform. Big example, I told you, the telecom company using decision tree and random forest to predict the customer churn and take a preventive measure to retain them. See, now the stock price prediction. See, this is also crucial. Day by day it increasing in USA or also in BD. So how? So predicting the future value of financial asset like stock, commodities based on the historical data, historical previous, whatever, and can sort of that analyzes the things. And for this case, the supervised machine learning can train and stock price movement, helping investor make a better trading decision. See, in this way they can. And for this predicting stock price using the regression model based on his how they have worked the historical, ultimately they have worked the historical price, volume, and external market indicators. See, now the product recommendation. So recommendation means system they have created, or it can be, we can compare with the by default or embedded system like this. So a product recommendation description, so predicting which products a user is likely to purchase based on their past behavior and preference. In application e-commerce side, I told you platform like Amazon are supervised learning to recommend product to customer based on their history, purchase, and products. History means when search engine optimization working purpose, we have searched that our desired product. So for this case, they have clicked the data and retype and they reveal the algorithms. So streaming services like Netflix, Spotify recommended show, movie, and song based on their user past viewing and listening history. See, so using collaborative filtering or regression models to suggest new items to purchase or media to watch. Then the autonomous vehicles or vehicles. So in this autonomous upgrading a version of car. See, so teaching self-driving is very popular nowadays. They don't want to drive by self or himself, or self. That's why they are teaching self-driving cars to recognize and respond to objects like pedestrian vehicles and traffic sign by learning from the level data set. Which supervised learning means level data set, as well as the training. That data set obviously must have the train before, then the testing purpose or outcome will have revealed later. Then the handwriting recognition. This is the handwriting recognition. This is also fraud detection is work as a OCR, that means the optical character recognition, automatically recognizing and interpreting cross-checking section. This have use it very well. So using this supervised learning model like CNN to classify handwriting digit from when we work with the CNN database or CNN model. So in that minist data is a by default or embedded in the system that we can predict it or we can work something things. And now the face recognition. So face recognition also crucial. This also collaborate with the autonomous vehicles. See, autonomous vehicles. So for this case, the translating not identifying or verifying a person from an image or video by comparing facial features to a database. The thing has been working in this way. Then the language translation. So language translation also working by the which on Siri speech recognition. This and this has been involved in this way. Now the medical imaging, disease diagnosis and medical imaging diagnosis, these are also collaborate or work with the things. Time series forecasting, this predicting future value based on previously observed data in the time sequence. So sales forecasting, weather forecasting for this case, and this is special use the linear regression algorithm and the recurrent RNN, the recurrent neural network are used for to predict the future demand for product. So in this way we can familiar with the machine learning algorithm, supervised learning algorithm application. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.